channel. Y'all, first I want to say that tomorrow is the face off with the Glam Queen of DIY and I. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be something y'all better watch. And if y'all have not subscribed to her channel, y'all, what are you doing with your life? Y'all, she is amazing. She has great high-end glam DIYs over there. So y'all go check her out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. She uploads every week. So y'all will get something every week on that channel. So y'all, let's get into this DIY. And don't forget, tomorrow is our face off, and then we have another face off next Friday. So please join us for our glam DIYs. Okay, Glam fam, so today we're gonna make this mirror. The mirror is it's called an Ice Schultz Archer mirror. And I found it online, y'all. Guess how much this mirror was? $1,500. So I was like, okay, it's a simple mirror. So I'm like, but it's elegant, it's beautiful. So it's beautiful. So I'm like, this mirror, it must, like when you get it home, it must jump on the wall itself, you know, and it's that mirror that tells you every day who is the fairest of them all, and it's gonna say you. Cause I mean, $1,500, come on, it's gotta do something else other than sit there and look pretty. But we're going to try to recreate that mirror for less than $50. Y'all think we can do it? I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna try to link a picture of the mirror so y'all can see this mirror, because I'm like $1,500. But anyway, we're gonna use these subway tiles. I got these from dieflower.com. I'll link everything in the description box and the links to the items. So we got this beautiful crystal tile from dieflower.com. We have these square mirror tiles from Michael's. We're using hot glue sticks. We're going to use this tape, popsicle sticks, and we're going to use our scissors, this push light that I got from Dollar Tree, and some command strips. Okay, so I'm gonna make also, because I'm like, the mirror is just a simple mirror, but I think I'm gonna put some sconces with it. So we're gonna go ahead and set up this mirror, y'all. I'm gonna make the mirror first, since it's supposed to be like $1,500. So we're gonna go ahead and make our mirror. And I'm actually looking at the mirror while I'm talking to you all, so I can recreate this mirror. So we're gonna set it up. Now, I guess I should have set it up backwards, y'all. So that'll probably be easier. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up backwards. Okay, Glam family. So we went on ahead and put our tape on there so we can make 4 squares, and we're gonna make a box. So I've already put the tape here. Now we have to close it, and this is the hardest part for me, y'all. I wanted to show y'all how imperfect I am. Okay, there we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little hot glue in the middle. Okay, so we want to have enough stability, so we're going to add glue to each side of it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to glue them on the front. Now, you can use E6000 with this for a better hold. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes because I will be reusing everything I am using now. So, like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this light. Yeah, this light is not shining bright because of the battery, so excuse that. But I'm just going to slide it off in here on the side, and you'll still be able to take the batteries out and do all of what you need to do. So we're just going to sit this to the side for a second, and we're just going to work on the back. Like I said, this is a simple DIY. I just don't understand where the 1500 come from, but okay. Okay, you can barely see that light, but either way, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and stabilize this, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks on the wall. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the mirror turned out. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, y'all. And the light, like I said, you need some batteries in there, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks in the dark. It is so cute. Yeah, it's so cute. $1,500, nah, I ain't gonna be able to do it. But $50, I got you. Okay, so y'all, if y'all like this and the things that I'm doing on this channel, then please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.